All right, so hypothesis testing के ऊपर there was a question, power of test. So basically power of test is 1 minus probability of type 2 error. Okay, I think this you will probably recollect it. So basically first we look at the type 1 error and then the type 2 error. So type 1 error is basically, can anyone tell me what is type 1 error? Raise hand and tell me what is type 1 error. Yeah, Dinky, you remember? Mayur, type 1 error. Nakul, Andheri, guys, come on.
Yes, sir. Type 1 is rejecting the true hypothesis.
Wonderful. Rejecting true null. What is rejecting true null? Okay, so basically you can call that H0 as a portfolio manager. So the portfolio manager, H0 is your portfolio manager. But I'm just disabling because वो पीछे से background sound आ रहा है. So H0 is a manager, portfolio manager, and true का मतलब is a genuinely good manager, and that genuinely good manager is being rejected. So that genuinely good manager, if he would have been there in your portfolio, he would have given a good returns. But you are not taking that manager, you're rejecting that good manager, so you will not get the good returns. And that's an error, so called as type 1 error. It's not that dangerous error. Type 2 error is more dangerous error, which is accepting false null. Matlab that H0, that portfolio manager, H0's portfolio manager is a bad guy. He's a useless guy, and you're taking that, and because you are taking the useless guy, it is going to lead to a lot of losses in your portfolio, which is more dangerous as compared to rejecting a good manager. So rejecting a good manager, अच्छा रिटर्न जो मिल सकता था नहीं मिलेगा, but at least प्रिंसिपल तो सेव रहेगा, मनी तो सेव रहेगा. Type 2 error, accepting a bad guy. Accepting a bad guy, you take a bad guy, he will lead to a lot of losses on your portfolio. It will lead to a lot of losses on your portfolio. That's the reason it's a more dangerous error. All right, so जो पहला वाला है type 1 error, उसका chance is alpha. The probability of type 1 error is alpha, which is also called as level of significance. Okay, so ये जो था power of test equal to level of significance, that was wrong. The level of significance is nothing but the probability of chances of type 1 error. So the chance of type 1 error, probability of type 1 error is nothing but level of significance. So that rules out the option number B. So now let's come to the, so ये type 1 error का उड़ा देता हूँ. So probability of rejecting true null. So rejecting true null, अभी तो हमने डिस्कस किया, rejecting a true null is type 1 error. Okay, so अभी जो लिखा था T1 probability type 1 is probability of rejecting the true null. So rejecting a null का मतलब है portfolio manager. True मतलब genuinely good portfolio manager you're rejecting. So as you're rejecting a genuinely good portfolio manager, the good returns you're gonna miss, but at least principal तो saved रहेगा. जो आपका पोर्टफोलियो है उसमें रिटर्न्स अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा लेकिन लॉस तो नहीं होगा. So from that perspective, it's a less dangerous error. It's a type 1 error. So it's a type 1 error. And this one also, level of significance alpha is also probably a type 1 error. So A and B were getting rejected. Answer was C. So it's basically the power of test is 1 minus probability of type 2 error. Okay. False null को accept करना is a mistake. And false null को reject करना is a proper thing. Okay. So the manager is like H0. The manager is a false guy, is a bad guy. Okay. So इसको अगर हम accept करते हैं, it will lead to a lot of losses on the portfolio. So it's a blunder. That's a mad manager. You accept that bad manager, it will lead to a lot of losses. So it's a blunder. It's a probability of type 2 error. And then second, इसका opposite, इसको अगर reject किया, then that's a good decision, which is called as power of test. If this is 30 percentage, power of test would be 70 percentage. So basically, false null मतलब bad guy को accept किया, that's a probability of type 2 error. And then bad guy को reject किया, then that is called as power of test. Like this is the right decision. Okay, so bad guy को accept करना is a mistake, which is serious mistake, that's called as type 2 error. And bad guy को reject करना, so rejecting that bad guy is basically the correct decision, is called as power of test. So rejecting a bad guy is called as power of test. Okay, so ये दो चीज obviously reject हो रही थी because this were rejecting a true null, type 1 error, level of confidence. Actually ये wrong, मतलब ये उल्टा, sorry my mistake था, ये level of significance का उल्टा था. So for example I said बाय मिस्टेकली इसको मैंने लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस मेंशन किया था, इट वाज उल्टा ऑफ दैट. फॉर एग्जांपल अल्फा LOS is 5%, then confidence level is 95%. Probability of type 1 error is alpha. For example, let's say alpha is 5%, then probability of type 1 error is 5%, which is nothing but rejecting a true null. मतलब जो अच्छा मैनेजर है उसको रिजेक्ट करने का चांसेस 5%, तो अच्छा मैनेजर को एक्सेप्ट करने का चांस, सो ट्रू मैनेजर गुड मैनेजर, इसको एक्सेप्ट करने का चांस इज 95%, विच इज नथिंग बट 5% का उल्टा, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. लेट मी पुट इट दिस वे, अ गुड मैनेजर, एंड ओवर हियर लेट मी पुट अ बैड मैनेजर. ओके, सो गुड मैनेजर को सिलेक्ट किया या फिर मतलब एक्सेप्ट किया या फिर रिजेक्ट किया. लेट मी पुट दिस, एक्सेप्ट एंड रिजेक्ट. तो अगर गुड मैनेजर को रिजेक्ट किया देन गुड रिटर्न्स आर गॉन, सो दिस अ मिस्टेक कॉल्ड एज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ टाइप 1 एरर व्हिच इज अल्फा. एंड गुड मैनेजर को एक्सेप्ट किया, विल गेट अ गुड रिटर्न, सो दिस इज अ करेक्ट डिसीजन, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक कॉल्ड एज लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. मतलब अगर ये 5% है तो ये 95% होगा, विच इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, उल्टा ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस लेवल. ओके, एंड ये बैड मैनेजर है, इसको एक्सेप्ट किया, then you will have the bad returns, which is a big mistake, probability of type 2 error. And ये bad manager को reject किया, then you will avoid those losses. So this is the correct decision, which is called as power of test. Okay, so just take a note of this. Is it clear, guys? Raise hand. If it is clear, just raise hand, please. Okay, good. बाद में इसका वीडियो जब भेजूंगा तब उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना या फिर कॉपी कर देना. Okay, one more time, I'll just put it one more time. If it is a good manager, then you should accept him. You'll get a good return. So this will be correct decision. And if you reject him, you'll miss the good return. So that is called as a mistake, type 1 mistake, जिसका चांस है अल्फा. ओके, एंड तो इसका होगा, ये लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस है, तो ये होगा लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, अगर बैड मैनेजर है, फॉल्स एट 0 है, तो ही शुड बी रिजेक्टेड. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज करेक्ट डिसीजन, विच इज पावर ऑफ टेस्ट. And if you accept that bad manager, you're going to have a lot of losses. It's a probability, it's a type 2 error. And इसको कोई नाम नहीं है, it's a probability of type 2 error, that is it. Okay. So over here, A and the B were getting rejected, so the answer was C. Yeah, Tanvir, any doubt?
सर इफ इट वाज एक्सेप्टिंग अ ट्रू नल हाइपोथेसिस तो भी वो भी राइट होता ना.
Power of test is not accepting true null. It is simply correctly rejecting the false null. तो
अच्छा ओके.
accepting a good manager, which is a correct decision, उसका कोई नाम नहीं है. कि
ओके.
rejecting a good manager and missing out on the good returns is type 1 error, but accepting a good manager is a correct decision, उसका कुछ नाम नहीं है, बस उसको बोलते हैं उल्टा of level of significance, confidence level. And about bad manager, if you accept it, you're going to have a lot of losses, so that's called as type 2 error. And bad manager ko, if you reject it, that's called as power of test. But accepting a good manager does not have any name.
ओके.
All right, so let's go on. Clear, right, Tanvir?
यस सर, यस सर.
All right, so let's go on to the next question.